So we begin with the sixth problem in this series, and the sixth problem in this series is problem 1.322. The problem is stating what work should be done in order to squeeze all water from a horizontally located cylinder during the time t by means of a constant force acting on the piston. The volume of water in the cylinder is equal to V. The cross-sectional area of the orifice is small s, where s being considerably less than the piston area. The friction and viscosity are negligible. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the problem which we have. So force F, which is constant in magnitude, is acting on the surface area A, and the volume of the container is V. We will be applying the equation between this end of the surface, which we mark as 1, and the other end, which we mark as 2, and the orifice from which the fluid is coming out is marked as S over here. So over here, if I write dV by dt, so dV by dt is equal to Q, which is the rate of flow of fluid, and it is equal to SV2. This is rate of discharge of fluid, rate of discharge of fluid which we have. So if t is the time in which it happens, then we can say that the time taken is equal to total volume divided by volume flow rate. Volume flow rate, so which we can write as V upon SV2, and over here we can also consider that A into X is equal to volume of the container. So now if I apply Bernoulli's equation, so applying Bernoulli's equation between the first and the second surface, applying Bernoulli's equation, then we can say P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho g H1 equals P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho g H2. Now one thing about this particular problem is that since both the surfaces are at the same horizontal level, so we have no term for H1 and H2, that is H1 and H2 is same. So we write it as P naught plus F by A. P naught is external pressure plus F by A, and this is equal to P naught plus half rho V2 square. So from here we get V2 equals 2F by rho A root over. Now the problem is asking us to calculate the volume, what work should be done in order to squeeze all the water from a horizontally located cylinder. So if work done is to be calculated, we say work done is equal to force times displacement, since F is constant. Since constant force is applied, so we are taking it in this way. So since T equals AX by S V2, so over here we can say, if we substitute V2 over here, then we can write it as A square X square by S square T square. This is V2 square. So this can be written as 2F by rho A. So from this expression, from T equals AX by S V2, we can write V2, and then we squaring V2 we obtain this expression, and hence from here we write F equals rho A cube X square by 2S square T square. Now since work done is equal to force into displacement, so we write it as rho A cube X cube by 2S square T square. A cube X cube is equal to volume, so V cube by twice of S square T square. So this is the final answer for this particular problem. This was problem number 1.322 and 6th problem in this series.